Whoa, is that your robot car? Let me see it. Turn him around so I can see his little face. Oh, press the button. What does it do? But turn him around so we can see his light. Whoa, he's a robot. He's a cool robot. Did you like how we transformed him? It takes a little bit of time because it was the first time Mommy trying to transform him. Are you thankful for all your presents, Ken?
Thank you for buying my robot and beautiful and making my car.
You're welcome, Ken.
Now I want my robot.
You want to make, well, you gotta wait or it's gonna break. Ken, you have to read you have to look at the little pictures and follow the instructions, because if we don't, it breaks. And later you and Angel can paint. You want to paint with those paints right there that Auntie Liz and Mommy got for you guys? Those are fun. Look at this big mess, Ken. You gonna help Mommy clean up now?
See, I don't break it. See?
You didn't break it. All right, good.
I like it.
Hey, up there on the wall, Ken, what is that? What's up there on the wall? Did you put those beautiful things on the wall?
Yeah.
To make our house look beautiful?
Yeah.
That's wonderful, Ken. Okay, now you gotta take the bumper off. No, take the bumper off. The back. On the back. Yeah, that's the bumper. The back. Good. Very good. Well, I'm happy you liked it. Did you get another car that makes noises too? That big truck? Press on the yellow buttons. What does it do? There's a lot of work to do. Woo! You can go add him to your Mega Bloks. You know the little Mega Bloks got upstairs, but you got 3 little men? They can go on the trucks or on the little train. That'll be fun to play with. You want to play with that while Mommy makes some breakfast? Whoa!
Whoa.
Gotta be careful.
It flew.
It flew up in the air.
In the air.
Okay, transform him. Now what you gotta do is pull this out. I think. I'm not sure. His little arms pull out. See, we're pulling out his arms. I think. I hope I don't break this. Okay, well that's about it. Well, you didn't take the bumper off. That's why. If you don't take the bumper off, then we can't pull his little legs and arms out. There we go. Now pull these out. See, they flip over. Flip them over. By yourself. This way. Flip them out this way. Pull them out. And hold the robot, honey. Hold him. Hold him hard. There we go. Flip it out this way. Stand him up. His shoes? Well, you gotta pull his shoes out. See, they're right here, look. They're right here. These are his little shoes. But see, I can't see anything. Good. And you pull his little shoes out. You pull his little shoe out too. Good. Now press his little light like this so Mama can see what it is. Oh, it's a transformer.
He's fine.
Whoa. Do you like that one? Do you prefer a robot and a car? Well, I hope you like it, Ken. Can I have a kiss? Mwah, I love you too. Oh, you blew me a kiss. Thank you, thank you. What other one did you like? Did you like your little kitchen Play-Doh set?
Yes.
Are you going to make something yummy for Mommy today? Yep.
Yes, some Play-Doh to eat.
I love fruits. Are you going to make me a fruit salad?
Yes. Maybe no.
Maybe not?
Maybe right now, no.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll have some patience and wait. Whenever you're ready to cook, Mommy will be ready to eat. All right? Okay, Ken, Mommy's going to ask your favor to pick up all the wrapping paper so I can go make some breakfast. What do you want for breakfast? Would you like some eggs or some pancakes?
Some pancakes.
You want to help me make it?
Pancakes. Yeah, ready?
Well, not with that. We're going to make real pancakes because I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
No, let me make something for you.
Oh, okay. You're going to make something for Mommy. Well, put your slippies on, please, though, okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.